मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त हे रोरो
ए हीरो
हे रोरो तेरी मेरी जोड़ी है बड़ी परफेक्ट ना कोई प्रॉब्लम ना कोई डिफेक्ट
2 और 2 हम 5 करेंगे चलो 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 खुराफात करेंगे
रो माना कि तू बड़ा है स्मार्ट पर हर शैतानी में तेरा ही हाथ
प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ाने में तू बिल्कुल हीरो है पर टेंशन में है थ्रिल
फन भी तो ढेरों है मैं स्मार्ट हूँ और क्यूट हूँ मैं भूत हूँ मजबूत हूँ चलो मिलके करें सारी मुश्किलों को पास भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त
Roro, guess what? This weekend I did an online workshop for lip reading. And thanks to that course, just by looking at Vicky and his sycophants from here, I can tell you about their exact plans for the race.
Oh, so you did a lip reading course. So tell me, who was your teacher? Tell me.
My teacher was Mr. Hero. Because I myself teach everything to me. I just go online and then make myself offline.
Oh, I knew it. You will say something like this.
What's the problem with that? You see, I'm best at training. And I can train you as well.
Huh, but I don't need any training at all. And everyone knows that nobody has participated against Vicky for the last 2 years. It's clear he'll win.
Exactly, that's what I'm trying to tell you. If this time you participate in the school race, then it will be fun. And do you know, this time, 2 more kids are participating in the race.
What are you saying, Hero? It's my brain that works fast, not my legs, you know. If I'm bound to lose against Vicky, then what is the use of participating at all?
And that's the problem, you see. I will train you attitude-wise as well. After my training, you will become even more popular in school. Vicky will become zero and Roro will become hero. Then story will have 2 heroes. You hero, me hero. You hero, me hero. Hero.
Seems like you did 2 workshops this weekend. Other one was for comedy. Cause you're joking quite well. But no, I will not participate in this race at all.
Why are you doing this? Please take part in the race. Usually you have a lot of fun in the school. But after winning the race, you will become even more cool. Race will be really exciting. You will hear loud cheering sound. On podium you will stand up and Vicky will fade down. Please, Roro, please.
Alright, but do you promise that you'll help me in the race?
Yes, promise.
Okay then, I've made up my mind.
Yay! Okay, so tell me.
I have decided that this year I will participate in the school annual race.
Yay!
Even I feel that this year no one will participate against me. But this year I've decided that I will tell him, Sir, I would still like to run the race alone, just to break my own record.
But Vicky, there are many more students who'll take part in the race. But you know what I think? You'll surely win the race. Record or no record. So Nacho says, let's dance.
Okay, enough, stop it. Don't just dance yet. I want to break my record, and for that, my friend Taco, I will need your help, brother. You will have to make one gadget which is faster than the last one and will help me to win the race.
Don't worry, this time I'm working on the jet shoes. You will become super fast for wearing them. I will have the controls. You just have to look ahead and just run straight and fast, Vicky.
Oh, this is really fast.
Sorry, there was a slight malfunction. Programming is not completely secure right now.
Oh, don't blabber talk in English, bro.
I know you won't understand the coding language, but I can tell you one thing. This will be working fine by tomorrow. Don't worry.
All right. Get it ready by tomorrow. Now Vicky will break his own record. Vicky's attack always makes a crack.
Look, I know very well that I'm not good when it comes to running. But what I can't understand is why are we at the racetrack just to practice for the race? We could have done that anywhere, right?
Just a second. Who is the trainer here?
You.
Who is the one training you?
You.
Who is giving all the tips?
You.
So who should you listen to?
You. Who else?
Very good. So now just take a deep breath.
Can I exhale that breath now?
Yes, you can. Here, quickly put this
Hero,
on.
what are you doing? What is this?
With this, you won't get distracted and you will run round and round and round and round on the track.
What? But why?
You have to run as fast as you can. And in your racetrack, Hero will keep popping up like an obstacle while you run. Ha!
Okay.
You need to dodge me and keep running with your focus on. Go R, go O, go R, go O. Row, 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 row.
I'm exhausted. Seems like now I'll have to open the brain door and have to withdraw my name from the race. Cause I don't want this anymore.
What? Don't say that. Your training session was really good.
But this is the fastest that I can run.
Don't worry, Roro. You just wear this jersey and I will take care of the rest with my powers. Only concentrate on increasing your speed.
What? Really?
Yes, you just need to run straight and I'll manage the rest.
Hero, the color is quite nice, but can I get some other size, please?
Didn't I just tell you that the jersey has powers and you are talking about exchanging it because of the size?
Alright, fine. But you'll manage it, right?
Bro, tension zero. Here comes Hero.
Hero, I hope you're feeling powerful enough.
Yes, don't you worry. I've already added the power in your jersey. Just don't look back. Keep running, looking ahead. No matter what Vicky does, keep running ahead.
Thank you. Thank you. This is taking place after a gap of 2 years because Roro is participating this year. So kids, are you ready? On your marks. Get set and go! As we all had expected, Vicky is leading at the moment. He's being followed
Nacho,
by
plan
Vicky,
A.
who's running
Okay,
very
Vicky.
fast. His body language shows that he might be the winner. There is something unusual happening on the track. A tire is also racing in this event, but Roro has successfully crossed the tire and moving forward at a lightning speed. Vicky and Roro have left all the contestants miles away. Vicky is still leading, and Roro is behind him. Oh my! Marbles on the track. This might be very troublesome for the contestants, but Roro somehow manages to cross these marbles and moving forward successfully. This race is now between only Vicky and Roro. Vicky is leading, but Roro is not giving up.
Oh, seems like they have worked very hard to cheat in the race. Time to put their efforts into dust. I'm feeling very drowsy. I might fall.
How did this happen? My remote!
Now they are going to face hurdles. They will have to cross these hurdles precisely, otherwise they are out of the event.
I have practiced a lot for the race. Hero told me to look ahead and keep running.
What is this happening?
Oh no! Tech is out of control. Vicky will not be able to handle it now.
Roro is catching up. He's doing well. Surprisingly, he is leading at the moment.
Come on.
Bar is full, right?
Yes, power is full on.
This is gonna be a very close competition. This is beyond my imagination. I had never expected it. Oh, what is this? Suddenly Vicky goes up in the air and falls down at the podium. Let me tell you, he has not finished his race.
Oh, everyone knows now. Let's get out of here. Yay! I'm the winner!
Yes, and with that, the secret of Vicky's cheating is also out.
But sir, listen to me.
Vicky, there is no need to explain anything now. We know everything quite well. And Roro, you have beaten Vicky fair and square and won this race without any doubt.
Sir, I'm the runner-up, right?
No, cheaters are not allowed to stand on the podium. And with this, our new champion is Roro.
Hero, thank you so much. You asked me to take part in this race. But I won this race because of the power you gave me, right?
Power? Which power?
Huh?
I had to say that to you so that you won't get scared. You have won this race all by yourself, Mr. Champion Roro.
Huh? What?
Yes, and Vicky was cheating to win it, but you have won the race by your own efforts and dedication. Was the training useful?
Wow, what are you saying, Hero? But there is something that I did not tell you. I did use one power to win, which was with me throughout the race.
Huh? Which power?
The power of your friendship. Go school, wonderful!
Hey Roro,
ए हीरो
hey Roro, तेरी मेरी जोड़ी है बड़ी परफेक्ट. ना कोई प्रॉब्लम ना कोई डिफेक्ट.
2 और 2 हम 5 करेंगे. चलो 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 खुराफात करेंगे.
रो माना कि तू बड़ा है स्मार्ट, पर हर शैतानी में तेरा ही हाथ.
प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ाने में तू बिल्कुल हीरो है, पर टेंशन में है थ्रिल.
फन भी तो ढेरों है. मैं स्मार्ट हूँ और क्यूट हूँ, मैं भूत हूँ मजबूत हूँ. चलो मिलके करें सारी मुश्किलों को पास. भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है. 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 भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त.
Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Kupari.